Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Yizocom. Today's video is about Uthando Nesithembu. Guys, Mpumelelo is given so much right by his father. He said, there is a lot of things that happen on Selegu's household that he don't like. He says so because both mothers, they never arrive on time on Musa's 50th birthday celebration, which is Makumalo and Mangwabe. But Mpumelelo, he's young for those emotional verbal language. I don't blame him because it's his father who gave him such a permission. But what I'm afraid of is when his father passed away, Mpumelelo is going to harass those women, including his mother, because he interfered into elders' conversation. I wish Abongwe must teach Mpumelelo manners, or Mpumelelo himself learn to respect the elders. Yeah. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it. Bye you.